Welcome back, outdoor enthusiasts. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best backpacking stoves to fuel your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or just starting your outdoor journey, having a reliable stove can make all the difference. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe. The MSR PocketRocket Deluxe $85 is similar to the MSR PocketRocket 2 but with a few improvements and extra features. The Deluxe model is an ultralight stove with stainless steel folding pot legs, a fast boiling time, and a compact design. The Deluxe is just a few grams heavier than the PocketRocket 2. But unlike the 2, the Deluxe has a built-in pressure regulator like in the MSR wind burner, a broader burner with wind protection, and a piezo igniter. Plus, the simmer capabilities of this stove are great. The slightly wider burner makes a difference, and when cooking dishes like oatmeal or mac and cheese, we didn't experience any burning or sticking on the bottom of the pot. Simply put, the PocketRocket Deluxe is the best due to its combination of lightweight, consistent performance, boil time, and price. Next up, we have the GSI Outdoors Glacier Stove. The GSI Outdoors Glacier $30 has a lot going for it, not just the amazing price. The canister stove can support virtually any size pot or pan, which is great for those who frequently camp and cook in groups, and the wider burner spreads heat out evenly. The burner also has an impressive output of 11,000 BTUs, putting the power of a traditional camp stove in canister stove form. Given the output, we were hoping this stove would have a slightly faster boil time. That said, it held up in windy conditions, and the boil time stayed roughly the same. The stove also has marked simmer controls. We loved using this stove to pan fry, saute, and even rehydrate and cook some beans. Everything in the pan was nice and evenly cooked. Our only con: wide and sturdy pot support design doesn't fold, so with a 5 inches diameter, it's not the most compact. However, it can still be packed and stashed into a larger pot. And for the quality of the Glacier, it's still a great deal. Moving on to our third pick, the MSR WhisperLite Universal. With the option to burn nearly any fuel including white gas and isobutane propane, this stove has quickly become a 4-season favorite. This is especially true if you find yourself traveling to countries outside North America where fuel options may be limited. It's not the lightest stove on the market at 13.7 ounces, but its versatility makes up for that. We've used this stove for really tough winter camping, and it has outperformed everything other folks have brought to elk camp. While canister stoves die in cold weather, the MSR WhisperLite Universal $200 cranks out water boiling BTUs, even above 10 feet. Because it uses liquid fuel, the WhisperLite does require some TLC and stove knowledge, including priming the stove before use and stove maintenance in the field on longer excursions. As long as you familiarize yourself with the stove, you should be set. One more bonus: with liquid fuel, gas is cheap. A gallon of white gas will cost around $10 and should last you for years. Our fourth pick is the MSR WindPro 2. The reason this canister stove made it on our list is its ingenious configuration specifically for cold weather cooking. The MSR WindPro $135 combines the design of a liquid fuel stove with the lightweight perks and versatility of a canister stove. This stove has a wide burner with folding pot legs and a fuel line that allows the stove to burn fuel in the upright canister position or inverted liquid feed mode. The stove comes with a windscreen and canister stand. Inverting the canister equates to better performance and fuel efficiency in cold and wind. Anyone who lives at high altitudes, Colorado friends, and frequently camps in colder conditions should consider the WindPro, and it won't break the bank. Last but certainly not least, we have the Jetboil Flash. Jetboil's newest stove system is designed for solo backpackers who want to keep their weight down. The entire system, stove, pot, stand, cup, and lid, weigh just over a pound and pack together nicely. The biggest perk of this stove is its super fast boil time of about 3 minutes per liter. Like the previous model, the Jetboil Flash $130 has an all-in-one design with a push-button igniter, improved stove vessel integration locking the pot to the stove, and updated pot and lid designs. The stove also has a heat indicating sleeve that changes color to let you know when water is boiling so you don't waste time or fuel. Overall, the Flash is a great and durable stove system. However, it does have its limitations, as you can only cook what can fit in the pot. If you're looking for a stove that can easily boil water and cook the basics quickly, this is a great option. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 best backpacking stoves for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're boiling water for a quick coffee or cooking a gourmet meal in the backcountry, these stoves have you covered. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and where to purchase. Until next time, happy trails.